I don't know. I don't know. In this video, we're gonna learn other phrases that are similar to the phrase I don't know, but that are appropriate in some specific situations. So let's get started. The first four phrases that we're gonna learn are perfect for relaxed, everyday conversations, especially when the information isn't critical. The first one is beats me. Beats me. This is a very informal phrase. We can use it when you genuinely have no idea about something. For example, what time is the party starting tonight? And the other person replies, beats me. Sarah hasn't sent the details yet. Beats me. Sarah hasn't sent the details yet. The second phrase is no clue. No clue. This is a slightly stronger way to say that you don't have any idea about that. For example, why is the Wi-Fi so slow today? And you could say, no clue. It was working fine this morning. Why is the Wi-Fi so slow today? No clue. It was working fine this morning.
I have no clue what you're talking about.
The phrase number 3, perfect for a relaxed, casual, and everyday conversations, is I haven't got the faintest idea. I haven't got the faintest idea. This is a longer, right? A longer phrase, but this is so common and casual phrase. This is a common and casual phrase. Let's see an example in context using this phrase. Where did mom hide the spare key this time? And you could say, I haven't got the faintest idea. Have you checked the blue vase? I haven't got the faintest idea. Have you checked the blue vase?
I haven't got the faintest idea, Sheriff.
We haven't got the faintest idea who you are.
And the last phrase of a relaxed, everyday conversations is who knows? Who knows? This phrase is used when the answer is likely unknowable by anyone. It's like when we say that something is impossible to know. We don't know and probably no one does. Let's see an example using this. Will this bus ever be on time? You could say, who knows? It's been late every day this week.
Told me he did, but who knows?
Let's continue with the second group of phrases that we can use instead of saying, I don't know. So these phrases are perfect for a professional and polite setting. These phrases are used in formal settings. These phrases convey respect and competence even when you lack the immediate answer. Let's see number 1. I'm not certain, but I can check. I'm not certain, but I can check. This phrase is professional and shows willingness to help. It shows that you really want to help. You don't know, but you really want to help. For example, does your premium package include cloud storage? I'm not certain, but I can check the exact specifications for you now. Or another example could be, do you know if breakfast is included in my reservation? I'm not certain, but I can check for you. Has the client approved the new design yet? I'm not certain, but I can check with the team. The second phrase that is perfect for a professional and formal setting is that's something I need to look into. That's something I need to look into. This phrase acknowledges the question and delays the answer politely. For example, what are the legal implications of this new policy? That's something I need to look into with the legal department before answering. Another example could be, does this house have solar panels? That's something I need to look into and confirm for you. The phrase number 3 for a professional setting is, I'm afraid I don't know the answer to that. I'm afraid I don't know the answer to that. Sometimes we think that saying that we don't have any idea about something is awful, right? However, choosing the appropriate words will be great. For example, here we can say, I'm afraid I don't know the answer to that. This is a very soft, apologetic way to state a lack of knowledge. For example, do you know when the new project will start? I'm afraid I don't know the answer to that, but I can check with the director. And the phrase number 4, perfect for a professional setting, is I need a moment to confirm that. I need a moment to confirm that. This phrase gives you time to pause, think, or check notes without saying, I don't know. I don't know. So, using this phrase, you will have more time to check information and give a good answer. For example, is my room ready for check-in? I need a moment to confirm that. Please give me a second. Do you know if my order is ready? I need a moment to confirm that. I'll check with the kitchen. So, using these phrases in professional settings is so useful and will make others feel that they are being helped. These are the 4 phrases that we're gonna learn in this video. These phrases are perfect when you want to say that you don't know, you don't have any idea about that, but you really want to help. So it's with these phrases, you show initiative to solve the problem. The phrase number 1 is, I'll find out for you. I'll find out for you. This is a simple, direct promise to get the answer. For example, hi, do you know if the pool is open this evening? And the receptionist would answer, I'm not sure, sir. I find out for you right now. Do we have to submit the report by Friday or Monday? I'm not sure. I'll find out for you and let you know. The phrase number 2 is I can get back to you on that. This sets the expectations for a future follow-up. That means that you will be asking if everything is okay. For example, do you know if the chef can make this dish gluten-free? I'm not sure, but I can get back to you on that. I'm not sure, but I can get back to you on that. The phrase number 3 is let me do some research and confirm. Let me do some research and confirm. This phrase is great for complex, technical, or unfamiliar topics. For example, is this neighborhood safe at night? Let me do some research and confirm for you. And the last phrase that we will be learning today is this. Good question, I'll ask, and we mention the name of that person or the department. Good question, I'll ask. So this is a good idea instead of saying, I don't know, because we redirect the question to the correct source or the person who has more information about the thing we do not. So, for example, do we know if we are getting a bonus this year? Good question. I'll ask HR and let you know. Or is late checkout possible tomorrow? Good question. I'll ask the manager and get back to you. Congratulations! Now you know many different phrases that you can use in many different situations: professional, casual, and many more.